Quick question. Who told us that burning our face with straight rubbing alcohol after every shave or cut was good hygiene? I ask because a lot of men are out here treating razor bumps and ingrown hairs by literally nuking their skin barrier every week at the barbershop or before and after every shave. If your neck and hairline stays on fire after a shave, your face is tight and dry, and those dark marks on your beard line and forehead never fade, this video is for you. I've just shaved my own beard and neck, and I'm going to tell you exactly why straight rubbing alcohol is not the skincare routine and what you should do instead so your line stays clean without tearing up your skin. Real talk, a lot of us grew up going to the barbershop, and after that fresh cut or shave, we will get wiped down with some rubbing alcohol or strong aftershave around our hairline, beard line, nape of neck, and so forth. And that stinging sensation that we felt let us know that it was working, right? That the formula was disinfecting our skin to prevent hair bumps or breakouts. But I'm here to bust that myth and let you know, although we may be disinfecting our skin after a shave, that alcohol is actually doing more damage than good to our skin. Let me break it down for you. And for men that experience hair bumps or pseudofolliculitis barbae, that routine feels clean, but it's secretly making razor bumps and dark spots worse over time. Here's the myth. If it burns, it's good for disinfecting and preventing hair bumps. But here's the truth. Strong alcohol or strong aftershave is good for disinfecting tools, but not for your face after every shave. Your skin barrier is like a brick wall. Fats and natural oils hold everything together, keeping water inside. So high concentrations of alcohol or aftershave strips these oils fast, leaving your skin dry and cracked. Using this over and over again, your skin has to overcompensate, so now you're dry, shiny, and breaking out. Alcohol can also irritate the skin and inflame the skin, causing both hyperpigmentation, which means dark spots, or hypopigmentation, which means your skin starts to lose melanin. It's like pouring gas on a small fire. Not good at all. So I'm going to take you through my morning shave routine. I've washed my face the night before, and I have very dry skin, so for me, a morning wash is not essential, so I just wash my face with lukewarm water to cleanse my face and get started. Simple pat dry, and then what I like to do is to help relieve some of the bags under my eyes that I'm getting these days. I use these Korean pads under my eyes just to keep my face moisturized before I shave. As you saw, after I finish shaving, I do one more wipe down with the non-abrasive wipes. If you have very oily skin, you may want to do a gentle cleanse just to make sure the excess dirt or oils off your face and your face is clean. For me, again, I have dry skin, so a light rinse with lukewarm water after the last wipe down is fine for me. And the last step is applying the GDLU Gel Cream. So this cream's ingredients has natural peppermint oil and shea butter along with aloe to help you hydrate the skin. And for me, a small, dime size amount is fine. It stretches a lot and it's very lightweight, so you don't need to use much. Again, I apply it to the different areas of my face, especially those areas that I've just shaved with, especially the neck. And that peppermint oil gives you that cooling sensation, not burning. So if you're like me and you're used to having that rubbing alcohol on your face and you feel that you need that sensation to feel like the cream is working, or your neck and your areas where you shave is being disinfected properly, then you'll get that sensation. But again, it's non-abrasive, it's not going to dry your skin out. We also have a licorice root, yam root, and seaweed extract, which helps even out your skin tone while hydrating. So you're not going to get damage as you would get from rubbing alcohol and the after effects of dark spots or mad skin irritation. So again, super lightweight. If you're like me, you probably won't even feel that it's on your face, which is a plus, right? So it's not caking up your skin, it's not going to clog your pores, but it gives you that cooling sensation while keeping your skin looking nice and healthy. Boom. GDLU, your aftershave essential if you want to keep your skin bump free, hydrated, and blemish free. Boom. Rubbing alcohol is not recommended to apply to your face, hairline, or neck after every shave because it's going to do more damage than good. Overuse is going to cause your skin to overcompensate, causing more hair bumps, more hyperpigmentation, more dark spots, or more hypopigmentation, loss of melanin. A better play is to find a less abrasive wipe to cleanse your skin before shaving. Make sure your clippers and tools are disinfected. Shave, wipe down gently after a shave. If you have oily skin, maybe a light wash afterwards, and then apply an effective moisturizer like GDLU Gel Cream, which will help your skin bounce back, and it has ingredients to calm post-shave irritation, hair bumps, and keep your skin tone even, meaning we're going to help fade those dark spots. Tag your barber, tag your homie, and let them know we've been doing this all wrong. Again, I know if it doesn't sting, you feel like it's not working, but let's think about our skin in the long run and make sure we continue to fix your face. God don't like ugly.